make a tangy, spicy and delectable restaurant-style dragon chicken. So first let's cut the chicken into strips and marinate it with maida, corn flour, red chilli, pepper and salt. Mix the dry ingredients and later add soy sauce, egg, ginger garlic paste and water. Mix it till a thick consistency. Later add the chicken to the marinade, coat it well, keep it for around 10 minutes and fry them on either side till a crispy texture and keep it aside. Next we mix the sauces by adding tomato sauce, chili sauce, soy sauce, red chilli, sugar, mix and keep aside. Next heat oil in a pan, roast some cashews till golden brown and keep aside. Onto the same pan, add chopped ginger, dry red chilies, onion, saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Later add celery and the previously mixed sauce, mix it well. Add some salt, mix again, then add red, green and yellow capsicum. Mix it again, then add the crispy fried chicken, combine it well with the sauce. Add the roasted cashews, sprinkle some water and cook it for around 5 to 6 minutes. And your crispy, fiery dragon chicken is ready. This definitely makes for a good starter, so do give it a try.